Welcome to Easy Pips Formula. My name is Robert Bradley, and over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can make as much as $2,000 to $3,000 a day trading Forex from home. What's more, what I'm about to show you is 100% legal and is in no way a scam or scheme. This is a legitimate way to make real money while being your own boss and working from home. You don't need a college degree or years of extensive training. You also don't need to have a lot of money in the bank. In fact, I'm going to show you how you can get started with a small investment of just $100 and then turn that investment into $6,500 in 10 weeks or less. How does that sound? Good, I hope. Look, I know there are a lot of Forex robots and systems out there that don't deliver. That's why I've backed my system with a 60-day risk-free guarantee. You either make money with this system or you'll get your purchase price back. In other words, you finally come across a system that really works. A system that you can use to generate income to pay off your debts, or even to make enough to quit that boring day job and work from home. As I said earlier, this system isn't difficult and anyone can use it, no matter what your trading experience or knowledge level. With this system, you only work an hour or two a day, or even less if you want. I have many protégés who only work a half-hour tops each day, and they still make tens of thousands of dollars a month and hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. You could realistically be earning 400 to 600 pips a week in no time. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some trades using this system. Let's open the GPB USD timeframe 4H. As you can quickly see on the screen, Easy Pips Formula clearly displays proprietary indicators for you to follow, and you don't have to worry, these indicators do not repaint. You'll be able to easily see on your screen where to enter, where to exit, and stop loss and take profit, so you never have any hard decisions to make. Just follow the indicators and make money. On the chart on your screen now, there are 3 winning trades identified, and that's just over a market period of 3 days. Think of all the winning trades you'll see over the course of a few weeks or a few months. Maybe now you can get an idea of how fast Easy Pips Formula can make your account balance grow. Plus, this system works with all currency pairs, with all time frames, and with all types of markets. Now, let's look at how many pips you would have earned had you had Easy Pips Formula and made the 5 trades on your screen. The short first trade produced 165 pips. The second long trade made 165 pips again. Trade 3 made 237 pips. That's a total of 567 pips over the course of 3 days using just a single currency pair. Now, let's look at another pair just to show you this is standard operating procedure with Easy Pips Formula and not some fluke situation. Let's go to the pair USD-CHF timeframe 4H again. Here we see 4 winning trades. The first long trade made 210 pips. Trade 2 yielded 286 pips. Trade 3 made 143 pips, and Trade 4 made 97 pips. That's a total of 736 pips made over just 4 days. This is not like a robot that makes trades for you and that can wipe out your account over the course of one afternoon if the market changes the wrong way. With Easy Pips Formula, you are the boss. And remember, you don't need a lot of money to succeed with this system. You can get started with as little as a $100 investment, and you can use the system with a demo account first, just to make sure it works like I say it will. So what are you waiting for? It's time to take action and start turning your dreams into reality. You can learn more about this system by reading the rest of this page. Thanks so much for your attention.